mission. Bounce, bounce, Singapore edition. We go, shot clock ticking pero kalmado pa rin. Parang speedrun, pero sharp ang aim. Risen Nation Cup, we go up, up, up. Parang Mario pag may star, di ma-stop, stop, stop. From the baseline hanggang top ng black, SP ballers breaking every block. Risen Nation Cup, all the crowd jump out.
Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to Street 33 Basketball.
Last quarter now.
Kaya nga eh.
Teka lang, malulubat ako. Sige, ano mo?
Sige. Rep.
Kaso hindi ko alam kung maganda dito yung ano. Pre, oh. Ito na try, ah. Anong setting dapat?
Kaya patanggal. Pag nalaglag, palitan naman ni Kuya ito.
Ito kayo nahulog.
Kaya patanggal. Pag nalaglag, palitan naman ni Kuya ito.
Okay, number 14. Pumula 3. Outside. Uy, football. Basket. Uy, tayo.
Hindi ko kaya.
Lopez, pumula ng 3. Wala.
Ako naman.
Number 6. Pass to number 99. Wala.
Ano para dito?
Julius setting up the play. Pass to Lopez. Cross court pass to wala. Jerick, number 6. Nawala ang bola. Julius, pinasa kay Lopez. Basket. Puso. Lopez yung nag-shoot. Marvin. Number 14. Pass to number 88. Number 14. Pass to Arnold. The captain hook. Wala. Shoelace. Dangerous. Bola. Okay. Number 6. English to, alog yata ako dito ah. Arnold, number 8, slash to the middle. What foul? Who's foul, Mr. Rep? 98, Max Domon. Number 98, Max. Number 8, Chen. First draw. Not in and out.
Wala yun na. Jeff, linggo.
Roland.
Nakita mo. Nakita
Ryan.
natin lahat.
Last to the middle. Basket.
Wala ka yun eh.
Score natin 6-4 in favor of Green. 4 battles. Night Stallion on the possession. Number 14 thinking 3. Wala. Ryan. Ryan. Slash to the middle. Stop and pop. Julius on the corner. Malakas. Captain Arnold. 6 minutes remaining in our first quarter. Nagaw. Maxi. Pinukol kay Ryan. Ryan easy 2 points. Basket. Number 14 to number 6 to number 99. Captain who? Wala. Marvin with the powerful rebound. Pinagawa bola. 3v2 situation. Julius still drops. Wala. Captain Arnold with the rebound. Number 6 setting up the play. Pass to number 16. Arnold with the hook. Wala. Ryan. Maxi. Maxi. To Marvin. Marvin sinasok sa kita. Wala. Rebound. Arnold. Arnold. The favorite shot. Wala ulit. Kapesi. Number 8. 98. Substitution. Second unit. Second unit. Max, 2 foul ka na. Shout out to our own members around the world. Oscar, setting up the play. Pass to number 98, 3-point shot. Wala, number 22. Bira, galaw tayo. Basket by number 2. Number ano? Number 5, June. Number 6, pass to number 17. Iba ang number eh. Number 5, Abraham. George, number 17 in and out. Wala. Tapik. Same ball.
Yun yung mayroon ko rin. 13. Mike, nakuha yung bola. Sumagasa. Basket. May kasama ng foul. Who's foul? Who's foul yan? Number 9? Lucky foul. Oscar. Number 9. Foul. Bonus draw. Wala. Hindi. Oscar, cross court pass to number 6. Jeric. Number 27, Charles. Naiwan sa gitna, in and out. Number 00 with a powerful rebound. Wala ulit. Number 22. Number 6, Jeric. Up and pop. Wala. Number 27. Offensive rebound. Pass to number 55. Situation.
Joshua number 55.
Naruto.
Pwede ba ito yung ninja? Hihingi mo na ako permit, baka bawal. Jerry. Pass to number 27, Charles. Pumasok sa gitna. Foul. Who's foul, Mr. Red? 22. Two shots by number 27. First shot, wala. Basket.
Isa lang.
Isa lang. Joshua. Pinasa kay Boy George. Pinasa kay Joshua. Joshua pinasa number 22 Santiago. Joshua tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 27. Court to court pass to number 6. Nawala ang bola. Number 6 nagantay ng kape. Pull up. Wala. George, number 17. Setting up the play. Pass to Mike. Mike with the horse. 28 horsepower. Wala. But there's a foul.
Foul number?
Number 9. Number 88. Foul.
Ano tayo may horsepower pa? Ano may horsepower?
L lang kasi.
88 o 98?
98. Okay. Number 28. Mike. Pass to the ninja. Joshua, number 55. George. Pass to 55. Pinasa sa gitna. Wala. Follow up. Nagaw. Nagaw na ninja. Sobrang bilis. Ang dami pinagdaanan. Pero butata.
98, black. Bakit yung black ng 98?
It's a black party out here. Number 17, George. Still. Number 55. Wala na. Naubos ang oras.
Violation.
45 seconds. Seven point lead by Green. Tumira. Nali. Charles. Number 27. Pull up.
Foul.
But there's a foul. Who's foul? Who's foul? Number 5, Abraham. Push.
Ano ba number 5 din? Wala na mag-stop, no?
Napasok na lahat? Okay na. 30 seconds na lang, 30 seconds. Pag na-shoot, pag na-shoot.
Not counted. Ay, walang shot.
Napasok na lahat, no?
Oh, counted. 1 point.
Stop na.
27, 1 point.
We have new committee.
Last 25 seconds. Number 9, Oscar. Oscar. Foul by number 55, Joshua. Number 55, Joshua. Penalty, Mr. Rep. Basket.
Number 9, basket.
5-point lead by 4 battles. Pass, wala. 10 seconds.
Wala na yan, diretso lang. Diretso, running time.
Running time.
Running time.
First quarter. We are running out of time.
Quarter now. SB Ballers, Singapore, Rising Nation. Let's go.
Game.
Uy, wala pang picture yan. Patay ka kain.
Naka yung free throw, isang free throw. Sino ba yun? Hindi ko na ano yung...
Ito si Sam.
Ito 7, no? Ito. Jiwong Hill.
De La Cruz! Chef!
Overheating 7 na rin dito.
Pass to number 14! Foul! 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 Number 69!
Lopez. Foul.
Lopez! Baliktaran! First row, basket!
Basket number 14.
Basket tayo, basket! Second row, wala. But na-rebound ng Stallion. Nice Stallion on the possession. Basket by number 8. What? Warning lang. Delay. Just pass to the referee. Don't touch the ball. Basket. Don't touch the ball. Let the referee take it. Number 8, 10, pass number 14, number 14. All the way, but there's a foul. Who's foul? Who's foul? Who's foul, Mr. Ref? Number 16. 2-point lead by Green League. Second row. Wala. Rebound by 8. Under. Wala. Shem. Court-to-court pass to RGB number 13. Sino yan? Elarma number 10. Lopez pag isa sa gitna. Wala. Arnold. The captain. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 27, Charles. Wala. Chef. Chef, cross-court pass to RGB. Ayaw tira ni RGB. Max Lopez. Marvin. Pass to number 8, Chen. Number 8, Chen. All the way. Basket. It's a deadlock. All 12. Olerio. All the way. Wala. Wala si Topsy yan. Si Nelly Bob. Basket. Not stepping. Not counted. Stepping. Not counted. All 12. Not counted. Number 8. Setting up the play. Pass. Running violation.
Dribble first.
Dribble first before you step your other foot. Good player. Step. Looking for an open man. Number 10, 10 seconds to shoot. Step. Taking 3. Wala. Pass to number 6, Jerick. Pass to number 8. Wala. Chef. Bring it on the ball. Cross-court pa mga GB. Marvin, drop pass to Olerio. Pinaba. Wala. Isa pa. Number 6, pass to number 8, Chen. What a play! It's okay.
Hey, kalma lang, kalma. Lopos, friend.
Baby, kalma. 5 minutes. Okay. Olerio. To Marvin. To Inersa. Counted. Basket out. Number 27. Magsasab kaya doon. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, sige. Okay. Number 27.
27.
Wala. Number 6, Jerry. Jerry, stop and shoot. Wala. Chef, on the rebound. Chef, tumira ng 3. Wala. Chef, Okay. Pagka nag-dead ball na. Ayun. Ayun na, nag-dead ball na. Number 16, Olerio. Sam.
Sab. 5, 5.
Number 16, 3 points. 3 pounds number 16. 3 pounds. Yung ngayon, Pwede na. Anytime. Anytime na kayo. Naikot na eh. Pwede na. Basket. Bubulunan pa yung
27, 1 point.
score. 50-40 in favor of Knight Stallion. Julius, pass to Ryan, pass to Maxi. Number 5, Abraham, pass to Mike, 8 to shoot. 5, 4, Julius, tira. Rebound by Ryan, basket. James Taylor, 16-15. 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Number 98, pass to number 9, Oscar, 3 points. Ryan, court pass to Julius. Julius, stop. Pass to Max. Max na walang bola. Julius, pass to Ryan. Ryan, tumira ng 3. Wala ulit. Nawan yung 5. 28 horsepower, wala. Traveling violation. The ring ball. 24 shots up. Publish rate to boot kick. Ano ba tayo? 14 o 24? 14 na. Ay, nakitawag direct eh. Puro lang. Pagka ko tayo lang. Ay! Wala! Ilan na! Kung kayo mahiyak, anong bayan mo dito? Ito ba yung mas bayan? Number 98. Stinging free. Julius on the lead. 3v2 situation. Pass to Ryan. Nothing but nothing. No clapping. Number 6. Technical. No like this. No count yung sa foul. Pero pag isa pa, out na. Bakasyon na. Julius, pass to Ryan. Ryan on the baseline. Counted. Who's count? Number 98. 3-point lead only. 3-point lead. Bonus shot. Basket.
to the middle. Pull up, basket. What a beautiful move.
Ryan, ginaya. Wala. In and out. Una, wala ka sa baton.
Lang, natatanggal sapatos pala.
Ay, ay.
Hindi pala maganda. Hindi pala maganda yan. Delayed pit. Ilan na po? 10 seconds. Oh, basket, 3 point.
Number 9. What a snatch.
By number 8. Number 8, waiting for the man, waiting for an open man. Crossover move. Naiwan, nawala, wala. Who's ball? Who's ball?
Number 9, Oscar. Oscar, pull up jumper. Wala. Number 99, with a foul. Basket. Number 28, Mike. 28, Mike. Bonus shot.
Shoot! Abraham. Abraham. Flash to the middle. What a move!
Basket count.
Basket count. Number.
Sub kami,
98.
bossing ah.
Pwede na, pwede na.
Sab.
Substitution. Sub. Relax, team. Only 5-point lead.
Two-piece chicken daw.
Basket, 6-point lead. Anim.
Makers.
1 minute and 30 seconds. Open look. Di pala Abraham.
Number 8, Julius. Pass to Jude. Jude, number 5. Flash to the middle. Wala.
Garrick, number 6. Garrick pull up. Basket. Basic basketball by number 6. Garrick.
Time remaining, 50 seconds. Value play to Mike. Mike, wala. Rebound by Oscar. 40 seconds remaining.
40 seconds.
Number 8, Chen. Reverse.
Julius.
Pass to Jerick. Jerick.
Garrick. Number 9. Iggy Green. In and out. Number 99, Chen. Wala. Number 98. Wala ulit. Foul. By number 28. Number 28, Mike. Penalty. Number 98, Presto.
Relax, litro.
4-point lead lang. 4-point lead. Basket this time. By number 98.
Ilang ano na?
Tatlo lamang. 18 seconds.
18 seconds remaining.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Minyong Mula.
Tsunami ang SP Ballers Sa init di alintana Pawis at ngiti walang angal sa kalsada Sa ilalim ng araw laro'y immortal SP Ballers Puso ang kapital
Pamilya sa tanong ng magpapa Mga kalaban kinakapa Sa pisan na lang ko din na nila makita ko aling ba sa kaliba o sa kanaba Ang kulay tinadala Sa aking mga kasama walang may iwanan Walang nag-iisa Galing sa Pinoy Discount
Okay, back to our third quarter. Pass to Ryan. Pass to number 22. Number 98. Dribbling the ball. Sheehan. Cross court pass to Arnold. Arnold to number 14. Number 14 open look. Basket. That's why he's asking for the ball. Technical again. Do not touch the ball after, no matter what, do not touch the ball. We're running out of time. Just leave it. Just do it by night.
Minus 3.
Come in. Basket.
1 point.
After you shoot, you just leave the ball. Do not rebound. George, Tingri. Pass to number 22. Foul. Number 98. Or personal foul, number 98. Sabi na si Arnold. Nahihirapan ako. Nahihirapan ako.
Basket.
Second throw.
Basket again.
Basket again.
2 points.
Wow, shot out. Number 3. Oscar, pass to number 16, Captain who?
Lalayo na konti.
Basket, Ryan. Same ball. Technical correction.
Makita nung ano kung siya.
Sayang yung highlights. Number 22. Adamo. Sa lega tama.
Nasa undercoat ka na.
Number 22. Basket. 3-point lead by Green. 4 battles. Captain Hook with a beautiful rainbow shot. Basket. 1-point lead by Carlsberg team. Chef. Pass to George. George. Cross court pass to Ryan. Ryan slash to the middle. Wow, basket. No basket. Who's foul? Who's foul? Number 99. Sab. One point lead only. By three. Only
Tip shot ah.
second shot. Back is shoot.
Rotate pa yun, no? Wala.
Number 8. Hesimov. Basket. Cross-court pass to RGB. Pass to Ryan. Pass to Chef. Chef setting up the play. Pass to Marvin. Spin move. Short. Save by number 22. Ryan. Sidestep. Block. Oscar with the rebound. 5 lang. Okay, copy.
Pag wala
Time out. Green. 3-point lead by the Black Knight Stallions. 7 minutes remaining. What?
Mr. Tom. Mr. Tom. Hello, Mr. Tom. Good morning.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Calvin, you want to go with them? Ball.
Kailangan lang
Shot
po
clock,
ito.
shot clock.
24.
Nag-aaral kami sa basketball.
Check! Pass to RGB! Nakita ka, Captain Arnold. 14. Chef, pass to RGB. Pass to Marvin Paul.
Ganun lang, bay.
Sam. Sino may foul? Nakakuha niya? 7. How many ah? 27, how many? Last draw by Lopez. Basket this time. Kanya ulit ang rebound. Basket. By number 8. Travel natin. Chef, taking the pass to RGB. Pass to Chef. Matapas! Oh, no! What a connection! 1v1 situation. Number 8. Bookie. Stable. Derek, nothing but nothing. Max, bringing down the ball. Pass to RGB on the corner. Wala. Mike. What a move. Mike with a 28 horsepower. Garrett looking for an open man. Pass to number 8, Chen. In and out. Ryan. Wow, apat ang pinagdaanan. 1v1. Steal by Charles. Number 14. All the way. Wala. Follow up. Ryan. 1v1. 2v1. Basket. What a veteran's move by Ryan. It's a deadlock. Pass to number 14. Drop pass to number 8. Number 8.
Substitution. One minute. Time left, 8:43. Oras natin, 10:30. Julius, pass to Maxi. Loose ball, pick up by Carrick. Carrick all the way, the lefty. Cross court pass to Max. Max, pass to Ryan. Wala. Butler sa ball. Number 14. Number 14.
Basket.
Ito kasi.
Kayo.
Ryan, last shot. Wala. Oscar. Pass to Jen. Jen slash to the middle. Naiwan. Nothing. Oscar. Pull up. Pick up by Jen. Jen. Rebound by Mike. Chef. Speed mo by Chef. Pass to Julius. Julius pull up. Patay. Mike. Wala. Ay, wala. Stop issue. Bye. Ryan, on the move. Pass to Julius. Open look. Wala. Gary. Pass to number 14. Drop pass to number 19. Down. Charles. 3-point lead by the Night Stallions. Contented ball. Cross court pass to number 9. Oscar. Taking three. Kaboom! 42-36. 6-point lead by the Night Stallions. Naka-privacy ako eh.
Privacy ba?
Iwas mo sa number 9 pass to Gary. Gary. Rapos na kung sa Mr. Charles. Nakawala. Number 1 Ryan. 3v2 situation. Ryan. Showing. Better at Good. It's a live ball. It's a live ball. Oscar thinking three. Sige. Again. Nothing. It's a live ball. Time out. 4-point lead by the Night Stallions. Hindi pa kayo nag-time out, no?
Time out.
Tatlo ka pa. Hindi, maaga pa. Stress tayo dito. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 1 minute and 23 seconds.
14 seconds.
Joshua! Joshua, nakawala! Ang tingin ng Konoha, wala! Nakakuha ni Lopez. Basket. Number 9. Number 41 naman! Wow! Wow! Who's foul? Number 17. Number 17. Una ka lang magaling. Arnold. Wow! Number 98. Nakawala. With a powerful rebound. Teammates. Pass to George. 2v2 situation. What a pass! Arnold with his signature move. Wala. Julius. Julius. Slash to the middle. Pass to Remini. Wala. Seconds remaining on our last third quarter. Number 27, pull up. 10, 9, 8.
Oh, wala na yan. Natala na yan.
Bisa niya! 5 seconds!
Running time tayo.
Running time tayo.
40-42. 2 points din lang, 2 points.
Huwag niyo na ibibigay pagka ganon.
Pwede naman yan, diba?
Running kasi.
Eh, paso agad nila sa iyo.
Hindi ako nakapag-picture doon kay ano ah. Instagram ko.
Okay, back to our final quarter. Kelvin, next season, go to Night Stadium. Next season, you go to Night Stadium. Support only, support. Commissioner, tuka, tuka. What the fire opening, number 98. Wala. RGB. For rebound. Joshua. Setting up the play. Ang pass to Marvin. Marvin with a powerful move. Nag-extend. Marvin. Second row. Basket again. Last row.
Ganda ka na yan. Oo. Ayun lang.
Wala.
Binata mo.
Yun. Pass to Joseph. Joshua. Pass to Olero. Number 6, Garrick. All the way. Thinking 3. Short.
Pwede ka sa tao.
Time out daw, time out. Time out.
Wala na tayo sila.
Wala na, wala na. Basta na ng lakas.
Aga inuubos eh, no?
Tatlo.
Uy, kayo lugaw yan. Kumain ko na akin eh. Nakain ko na rin sa akin.
Hindi mo pala binigay kaya
Wala microwave nga.
Teka, punta ko sa topic.
Ayaw. Wala mo na maglalabas ng ano, ha? Epektos maglalabas mo na ngayon, ha?
Number 14. Oh, miscommunication.
Alam muna natin yung ating mga ano.
Wala ka din ako. Patrol. Time out daw. Sige. Sa dead ball tayo, dead ball. Josh. Cross court pass to Olero. Pass to Josh. 5 RGB. Yeah. Pass to June. Nice toss to June. Change labor. 1 point lead by the Green. Heineken 4 battles. 98 tumuon, wala.
Nice block!
Josh controlling the pace. Josh pass. Drop pass. Lopez wala. Ito time out. Scaring basket. Live ball tayo. So, labas yung bola para pamabay. Time out yung kabila. Sa dead ball, tapos sa labas para maano.
5 seconds!
5 to shoot. 2, 1. No basket.
Late.
Time out.
Bago na natin. Dalawang team. Delikado ka, sinusunod ko na.
Huwag ka natapat sa ilaw.
Brother Dave pa naman, oh. Huwag naman mo nang pumayan. Kaya ka na.
Huwag ka tatawid, Rep. Rep, huwag ka tatawid. Wala na. Utang ko na. Filipino. Horsepower. It's a deadlock. 5 minutes.
Oscar! Jump shot! Rebound by Captain! Boom! Pass it to
10 seconds.
Oscar! 83! Nothing but number 98! 98 rebound! Down! Number 28! Knockout! What a play! By Stallion!
Success gagawin. Pero, Lopez for 3. Short. Pick up by Max. Butler sa foul. Number 99. Substitution. Substitution. But then next season.
Head coach ng kapila.
Basket. Kaya ba natin kasi? Hindi kasi naman yung sa...
Arnold controlling the pace!
Ryan. Showing his moves. Highlights again.
Three minutes, 40 seconds. 2-point lead by Nice Stallion. Number 14. BJ. Number 6. Playing pass to BJ. Number 14.
Ayan, pre.
Wala.
Iwas to Ryan. Iwas equation. Ryan. With the veterans. Foul. Number 14. Time out. Time out.
Red, time out.
Time out. Kapatirahin mo na yun. Sige pa short. Time out yan.
Dambi! Wala na ito tama. Wala na.
Ito. Gandang mag-depensa na nakatayo pa lang eh. Siya gumagalaw kaya napapaul siya eh.
Yakap yan siya. Kasi kanina din ako nakapusto sa...
Sabihin mo, pag nakita namin, tatawagan namin ka mo. Hindi naman dahil na.
Sabi ko, bumitaw na nung nakita.
Ay, kalawan niyo rin. Resume. Double game. 3 minutes and 19 seconds. 2-point lead by the Nice Stallion. Ryan on the line. Basket.
Isa pa.
Delikado tayo sa OT niya.
Pang tabla.
19 seconds.
Tuson.
One more.
One more, tuson.
Entering too soon. Tomorrow is one. Arnold!
1v1 situation. Oscar, wala. What a hustle by number 9, Oscar. Oscar, flash to the middle, but there's a foul. Number 8, Julius.
Kailan penalty? Kailan po? Only 1 point lead ah. 30 na lang penalty.
The last draw. The last draw. In and out. And in again. Ano po na bye-bye? Ryan with the spin move! Malalapan! Grabe naman! Hit the net na! Oscar.
10 seconds.
Dead ball. Derek with the pull-up. Pick up by number 14. It's a big live ball. Wala way. Go, 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 go. Dead ball tayo, dead ball. Ryan, pass to Julius. Left shoot. Julius. Leave up by Charles. Last. This 2 minutes is brought to you by Head Coach Kelvin. Come on! Substitution!
Makita kung 2 points o 3 points.
Wait, wait.
Wala. Going tense up.
Hindi. Pumasok. Hindi.
Later.
The ball going.
If it's not going, keep going.
Wait ah.
In and out.
Parang gusto ko eh.
Garrett, straight on the ball. 4-point lead by the next stallion. 1 minute and 25 seconds.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. 1v1 situation. Speed move. Pass to Julius. But there's a foul. Substitution.
Stop. Go.
5 foul. Substitution. Yun naman yung pumasok.
Sino?
Ay, sino ba nag-foul?
Warning penalty na sila na.
First shot. Basket. It's anybody's ball game now. 3-point lead. Entering. One more entering. It's a weekend today, guys. Basket. 2-point lead. seconds remaining. 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Tama, tama, tama.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hindi na shoot, idol. Hindi na shoot.
Uy, akala ko shot clock yun! Akala mo na!
Last time out. Shoot eh.
Kalis, kalis! Dili ka doon! Huwag doon akong buo. Hindi ka nagtinggi ba?
Wala na yung timeout sa natapos yung so 1-1 ulit. Continuous yung penalty. Wala pa. 5 minutes.
Walang carry over yun. Time out na.
Isa rep.
Isa lang.
Bro, only one time out.
One time out ha. Hey, black ball.
Kalma ka lang. Hoy, putang ina mo. Hoy, kung hindi ba napalisin nyo na nga ito, putang ina niya.
Nagmumura yung committee na yan. Uminom na ka ng goal eh.
Isang time out lang. Isa lang.
Continue yung penalty eh.
Moving. Again wipe out. Black ball. Taro tayo? Taro? Black ball. Wala, Lebron can do comeback.
Pinabayaan kasi yung natira eh.
It's an overtime, guys. What a pass to number 27. Ako, 90 decibels daw ang Number 9, Oscar. Pass to number 18.
Babalik pa eh.
Nagtampo na si Chef kasi nilalabas ko.
Pop-up screen, layup, parang jump sa green, fight so clean. Scored, kumikislap, jersey namin SB, heart namin yung star, hindi kailanman
All 63 guys. All 63 guys.
bro, bumadapa man, race start, we go. Shot clock ticking pero kalmado pa rin, parang speed run pero sharp ang aim. Risen Nation Cup, we go up, up, up. Parang Mario pag may star, di ma-stop, stop, stop. From the baseline,
Arnold with the powerful rebound.
SB ballers breaking every block. Risen Nation Cup, all the crowd jump, jump.
Oscar.
Four lights habang heartbeat.
Pass to Mr. Chen. Pass to Arnold.
Here we go. Tumitibok ang heart.
Isa lang. Masusunod. Sayang. 3:30 pa lang, 3:30.
Mahaba pa yung oras. Mind games, ball.
Pag-check ito. Ryan, tumira ng 3. Archie, George, wala. Arnold. Bang.
Foul, foul.
Holding foul.
Foul number 5.
Warning for
Warning.
penalty.
2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 and 30, 2 and 30. Oh, foul. Yan ang mga solar balls. Labas na. What a pick up. Drop us to Lords. Remove. Mike. Foul. 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 Foul.
Penalty. Penalty.
Number 8. Taga foul. Penalty. Basket. Second shot. Wala. Pass to Oscar. Baseline. Pass to Ryan.
Hinga lang.
Foul ba? Foul? Foul ba? Foul?
Paano? Foul?
Who's foul? Who's foul? 27. Penalty, penalty. 27. Go, Gladway. Gladway.
Five foul.
Tapos mo na to, wala bang kain nito? Matapos mo na ako eh.
Nold, ba't pinipilit sa pila?
Uy, isa lang naman. 1 point lead.
Sabihin mo, magkagalaw mo na. Oh,
Basket.
dalawa na, dalawa. Utangin na, overtime na naman yata.
Tuloy ng kota. Ryan, big move.
Kumakamahan si Ryan.
14. Ayaw niyo maniwala sa akin eh. Mga transition ba kayo?
Tabi, sir, tabi. Basket.
Tapusin niyo na, parang awal.
Kurbato.
Rebound by Jeric.
Tama kanina.
Time out, Black Team. 1 point lead, 5-4 battle. Oh, tapos na ito.
Gawa na kayo ng play.
Okay, balik na. Yes, sige. Saan ka lang kayo, Martin? 55 seconds na tayo, guys. 55.
14 seconds.
40 seconds shot clock. 55 seconds game clock. Both teams are in penalty. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 39 seconds. 39 seconds. Ryan, sumagasa. Wala. Red.
Time out.
20 seconds remaining, guys.
Wala
20.
na, wala na time out pala sa wala na.
20 seconds. Good, 20 seconds. 20 seconds, 20 seconds.
Penalty, penalty.
Both penalty, both penalty. Both penalty na guys, kahit sino mag-foul. This is a play of a lifetime. 1, 2, 3, minutes. This is the play of a lifetime. It's anybody's ball game, guys. 20 seconds.
Walay.
20 seconds.
Dapat si ano, maglabas kasi wala na rin.
Okay, play. Yeah, play. Okay, play. Yeah, maniwala kayo. Pag-inigo sila play niya. Cross court pass. Foul.
Dapat sa kayo mas receive nun eh. Hindi, okay na rin.
Number 9. Labing foul.
Tabi. Jenny.
First throw, basket. Tingnan nyo. Second.
20. Kayo pag foul.
18.
Penalty din kayo pag foul.
Oh, tingnan nyo. Kayo, masyado kayo nervyoso eh. Ibigay ba yun? Oo. 13 seconds. Boom! Sapat! Number 6 seconds.
Ano nangyari?
Nice shot.
Ilaw ng call niya, pinapig eh.
Sila lamang. Goal.
Walang bay. Bay na. 40 seconds. At least hindi na mag-overtime. Pag napauli na yan. Pag napauli na yan, penalty din sila.
Hindi, sasablay yan. Tingnan mo. Go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
PS7 production. Everybody come on, let's go. SB, 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 SB Ballers. Double pass shoot sabay-sabay. Maging champ ito ang tagumpay. Laban lang magsumuko. SB Ballers, galaw na tayo. Tayo na maglaro mag-SB Ballers. Sa kalye o sa court, walang pipiliin. Hataw, tumataw hanggang sa dulo. Sabay-sabay uminda.